It's 7:30 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, and it's the day after the rain. Let's ride. It doesn't rain much here in the desert, but when it does, it cleans everything up. The air is just so sparkling clear. We're looking due west towards California. In fact, if it weren't for those mountains in the way, we'd see Los Angeles. Actually, there are a lot of mountains between Phoenix and Los Angeles. The ones we're looking at right here are called the White Tanks. And since a lot of our rain comes from the Pacific Ocean, it's those mountains that stop it most of the time. But it made it yesterday, and it rained like crazy yesterday morning. And now we're headed north, and those mountains up there are the Bradshaws. There was a lot of gold taken out of those mountains back in the 1800s. Probably still a little bit left there if you want to go look for it. I think that it surprises people how much gold and silver there was around Phoenix. It's where the money was. Of course, for people to live here in the valley, they needed water, and so some dams were built long time ago. Now we just take it for granted. The reverse osmosis water that I bought this morning at the water machine came from, it would be the Salt River and the Verde River from Snowbelt. If you're interested in Phoenix history, you already know that there were big canals built here hundreds and hundreds of years ago, long before the pioneers got here, by people that are called the Hohokams. And if you're wondering which part of the valley they lived in, it was all of it. Everywhere is Hohokam area. Set foot anywhere in Phoenix, and you're walking over where the Hohokam people walked. Even here in Peoria. And the Hohokam people would build reservoirs to capture the precious rainwater and snow melt flowing off of the mountains. On a day like today, I'd like to believe that I can feel their spirit in the air. And as usual, I'm talking too much. I'll be quiet for a little while. Enjoy. And if you're wondering if I'm the Phoenix history guy, that Brad Hall, I am. You can Google me. Well, I'm starting to think about some of that delicious, fresh brewed coffee at Jack in the Box. Looks like they're loading some, I think it's fresh coffee beans for me. So I'm going to loop around. Hang on, I got to watch out for traffic. Here I go. I'm also thinking about some of those delicious scrambled eggs with melted cheese on it and a tortilla. Looking forward to it. The story of Phoenix is all about controlling the flooding. And if I may say so, I think Phoenix has done a damn good job. My favorite speech was the one delivered by Theodore Roosevelt when Roosevelt Dam was dedicated in 1911. He said, "Guaranteeing 100 years of water." And he was actually right. In fact, 100 years of water would have only taken us up to 2011, and we're still here. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.